Peace and blessings, family. It's Wes the CEO, and today I'm going to be talking about support and resistance in the stock market. First, I'm going to start off with resistance. See, resistance is basically where all the buyers are. They didn't push it up to this point in the level of the stock market, and now they tired. They done bought this stock up so much, and they up so much money that now they ready to take profit, and that's when the sellers come in. You can always tell where resistance at because that's where the sellers will step in and start to push the market down. They'll start to sell their shares of the company that they own, and they'll start to push it down to a certain individual level. And that's the same thing with support. When support is strong and when you're looking for support, you want to see the sellers pushing it down to that certain level in the stock market, right? To where the buyers snap back in and the stock market start to turn, okay? These could be crucial levels that you can watch in the stock market and get some money, because levels like resistance and support is where big institutions and retail traders use to either buy or sell stocks. That's just some regular information that everybody should know, especially when you going to day trade in the stock market. When you getting on the charts, right, the first thing you want to do is look left, and then when you moving your charts to the right, you want to look for support and resistance before you place any trade, and you do want to know your levels at all times. I want y'all to like and subscribe to this video, and if y'all got any comments, leave them below. Love.